know it's been a while. We got a new STI we're working on. We got John rolling the fender. We got Dan. We got Alonzo. And we got
new guy popping up like a meat
Jackson.
Freak.
There you go. Yeah.
It's like this guy. He also popped up like a meat freak.
I know, right? Yeah. All right, look. So now we got John, the fender roller. Just got done rolling the fenders on the STI. Just a little bit. He was rubbing right here, if you can see it. What's new with the Z, Dan?
Still fitting the front end.
Oh yeah, see the mirrors you threw on.
Yeah.
Oh, my bad.
Just like a bunch of random shit, just like trying to like deter the rust a little bit before we actually like sand it down and shit.
Yeah.
Completely. Or I guess I shouldn't say shit.
Yeah.
But,
oh yeah, took out the engine too.
Yeah, so we pulled the engine out. You guys will see that shit later.
Yeah.
And
oh, here's the Genos.
Looks pretty good.
It's a little bit more, yeah. A little bit dirty, but yeah.
We need the bottom piece fitted. And then order the lights, the blinker lights from front.
Yeah, the 241, right?
Yeah, and then just, you know, dress up the engine and start like messing with suspension a little bit.
Yeah.
And then we should be good.
Yes, sir.
But you can see how fucking terrible it is.
For it's gonna need like a lot of body work, huh?
You need like at least a quarter of an inch to get shaven right here or added on this side. I still gotta figure it out.
Yeah, so a little bit of fiberglass work, but hey, look, at least it's straight right here. It looks good.
Not so straight.
Kind of.
This, I think, is gonna need to get cut.
Yeah, trim it a little bit more.
And same on this side.
Yeah, I think that side's. Oh my god, that side's
There's
horrible.
like more trimming on this.
Yeah.
On the inside.
That's why they call it Project Car, right?
Story of my life.
For real. It's alright, we get it done. You think it's gonna work, John, or no?
Hopefully, bro.
Yeah, so.
We have to go old school and use a phone book.
For because this is a 4-lug and this is for a 5-lug. So we'll see if it works. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna fit. Damn, that shit's hella short.
Hella short.
We'll see.
Yeah, put that.
It works? What?
It's too long.
It's too long, bro.
We'll see. Oh shit. You have to cut it. I think that you could raise up your car, or was that the issue, or?
It's way too much work.
Oh. You can hear it. Oh shit!
Oh my.
No, that's rubber. Holy shit! This is hell of it.
That's wet though.
Bro, oh my god.
You got the man like that? Is it credit card for me?
No, bro. I do not have
I was gonna get my credit card back. It sticks in it. I don't have it. All right, so
Well, somebody had to do it.
we got the back all marked and taped. No, it's time. Dan, how you feel about this?
What?
You ready to cut it? Yeah. So we're gonna no. We're gonna cut the see where the first Sharpie is. No, the one second one.
Cut all this out.
Yeah, we cut all this out. Yeah. So we're gonna cut out the second one right here. Cause I'm not sure that might be too much or too little. Alonzo's saying it's too little, so we might have to cut out a little bit more afterwards. So basically measure twice and cut once. So yeah, that's how it's gonna sit. Back it over more.
Oh, they haven't seen it on, huh?
Now.
Alright.
So you got a good angle right here. Sorry, I'm out of shit. It's good. They'll see it once it's done.
I want to see it right now.
Dude, look how wide it is.
I know. I want to see it with the wheels on.
That's good.
You gotta do it. Me too.
Oh, we got the boys are back.
You alright?
Yes, sir.
You alright? Seems like you lost your balance with this fitment, bro.
He's getting nervous about cutting.
Let's cut it.
Let's cut it, Dad.
I got it. I cut it.
Yeah, you gotta cut a piece of your car.
Alright, so
Alright, start cutting.
you guys are
I'll record this shit.
you know that after we start cutting we're gonna have to weld too, right?
Dan's gonna do it.
Right away.
Yeah, might as well, bro. Over to here.
That's good?
That's cool, dog.
Are you waiting to
Let's rip it out. Let's rip it out. Start cutting it.
I should check how much wire there is in the flex core welder.
Then you put a hell tape.
Well, it wasn't gonna stay on there.
Oh shit.
Yo, watch your paint, bro.
Watch the fiberglass. And cracked it.
That motherfucker wouldn't be in the car.
Alright, so we got the man, Dan.
Oh, man.
So we just got done cutting my rear over fender right now. I'm gonna have Dan tack weld it. And then we're gonna cut off the little fins right there.
First off, why are you assuming my gender?
Hey, it's 2021.
I identify as a sports car. Okay.
Yeah, so that side came out a little bit rough, but this side came out a little bit better. So just gotta Dan weld it and then tap it back up and then throw in some rivets and we're good.
Yeah, so we're using cheap flux core welder. We're T4 and we don't have an actual MIG welder unless you guys want to sponsor us. So we're just gonna try to make it work. I'm just gonna do really tiny tacks because we still want to fix some of the gap. So on the areas where the metal's closer together,
Yeah, you can see it like right
just gonna
there.
add a little tack to it, just so we can cut all the extra metal off. Probably one tab just for the ground, and then let's see what happens. It's gonna have to be a lot of cleaning up, but
We'll make it work like we always do. But yeah, so right now it's shit. Fuck, dude, it's like what, 12 o'clock? About
11:30.
11:30. Yeah, let's get this shit done, man.
alright, you guys are seeing it right here, but just wait till I go to the back. Damn! Oh, dude, I gotta move all this shit out of the way. Dude.
Holy shit. What do you think, Dan?
That's insane, dude.
Oh yeah, dude, everything, dude, we gotta cut this shit more, dude. The front's good, it's just that this side that's kind of like preventing us from.
Well, I mean, you said check everything on the other tires, the other wheels.
Yeah.
You gotta say it looks pretty fucking clean.
Yeah, just be safe. So this is pretty much how it sits for now. It's getting hella late, so we're probably gonna dip out. But other than that, dude, it looks nice. Still need a lot of work to make it fit. Like in the back right here, you can see it. So we're probably gonna cut out maybe like 1.5 inches. So I'll be able to tuck in because I'm not even aired out all the way and it's already like hitting the tire. Maybe camera it out a little bit more too, and then yeah. Oh yeah, damn, looks nice. Yeah, it's like super thick.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. And then the fronts too, I still gotta order them, but like Dan says, I'm probably gonna go 9.5 on these. So I'm not gonna run into no clearance issues. So maybe next week we're gonna start like working on the bumper, which is like right there. Zoom in. There you go. So that's the bumper. And then the flares, we're gonna try to mold it to the fender. And yeah, and that's pretty much it. Well, yeah. Yep. Yes, sir. That's how the car sits right now.